Now in this evening's preview to the ISA Schoolboy Mining Cup season, we look at Kingston College and Camperdown High. More in this report. There can never be a discussion about schoolboy football without the mention of Kingston College. The Purples of North Street had been fighting to reclaim former glory up to 2018 when they ended a 32-year drought to lift the Manning Cup title. This has raised expectations even higher. But coach Ludlow Bernard says he's looking at the bigger picture this time around after a one-year break.
Youngsters need exposure. They need the platform from which to launch either their scholastic ambition or their football ambition. So being absent for a year has certainly impeded their growth and their development in the sport. So it's a welcome return that schoolboy football is here for 2021.
K.C will open against Mona High and Bernard is promising fireworks.
I figured that they have in their ranks some very good players. I am also aware of the coaching situation there, so with that I probably would expect some fireworks. But we have some fireworks of our own for which, we are kind of very much looking forward to really put on display.
17-year-old Romario Campbell and winger Jamon Barkley will be looking to fire KC over the line.
My job is to score goals. I'm not going to tell you how much I'm going to score, but I'm definitely going to put in the work and show you.
Goals win matches, so to score, to cross, just to help the team overall in defense, attack, wherever it's needed.
Unlike KC, who ended their drought in 2018, Camperdown's drought is stretching to 40 years. The East Kingston-based school won the first of their 3 titles in 1978, with the last coming in 1982. They are nowhere near to returning to the glory days, but Donovan Loftus, who served as manager for 7 years, is now given the mantle to restore glory.
Coach B asked me, Donovan, please take us to another level. And I'm trying to do that and hopefully have the talent to do that. And I tell you, if these guys put their head down and focus, we can go all the way.
According to Loftus, they'll be looking to make it a gate-to-tape affair.
We want everybody to shiver. We want everybody to be afraid because it's Camperdown High School and this is the champion of the East. And I'm not afraid to say that right now. If you know me well, I'm a confident person and my team is confident and we are going out there to prove ourselves.
For Jordan Williams, he's just happy to be playing football again.
We are very grateful for the upcoming season. We have been preparing for a long while, We have been training for months. The team chemistry is very good, and I'm very grateful to see the players coming out representing the school, and we're very thankful.
Camperdown will open their account on Saturday against the neighbours at Dunoon Technical.